She like on my whole life. Everybody knows I'm in a vibe.
Batty boy!
Sehgodknow, what is the reason why Alkaline show is cancelled?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Costa Rica, I'm leaving. Sorry, the promoter didn't get the permit, so there will be no show. So I'm out.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
This is Vibes Cartel, and on behalf of the promoters and myself, I'd like to apologize to the people of Costa Rica for not being able to be at the show tonight.
Gotcha, bitch.
Ticket a sell. Within the first 30 minutes, Cayman Island was sold out. Jamaica, Freedom Street.
One eternity later.
People have been remarking on the ticket prices. Is that a hindrance to the kind of turnout you expect to anticipate at the National Stadium?
I mean, I think so. So that's why this Black Friday, we going 50% off on the bleachers. Even though I'm not...
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Yo, people are going and don't know things that, you know. Yeah, man. Yo, people, boy, I tell you, a bag of thing are going. The man them team up with a bring down campaign for Alkaline. I tell you, the man them say a cartel make Alkaline a fly in a private jet. I tell them already, you know, the Gaza people them, some of them obsessed with Alkaline, you know. Them not really care about them artists. Because them artists a drop album, I know them not even talk about it. You understand? Yeah, man. Them not talk about them artist album. Me I tell you, every move Alkaline make. You see me? Yeah, man. So, we're going to see what them as cause people. The man them Badmine say, Alkaline I do arena and them artists now do no arena. And through Alkaline and CJ work together, the man them Badmine. So Alkaline I work with CJ Milan. Although you know, Alkaline been a work with CJ Milan for years now, you know. But through the hype with Cartel for Van Prison now, them feel like say Cartel work with CJ Milan first. But at the end of the day, a business do man I do. You understand? But the Badmine, me I tell the people, I tell you, say, yo, Alkaline, I beat them bad. Just beat them, cause look at guy on a show, make him crash out. You understand? Them see the trending and every little thing I go on a Guyana. It make them a crash out on the media. You see me?
I tell you, could be the reason why them youth don't have no money, you know. Because me never see Alkaline fly private before.
So what is Kevin? How is no private jet this? How sure you live in? Eh? Everything what Alkaline do, you no try to attach it to Cartel. Cartel not have a career. Eh? Him not have a career. I say everything Alkaline do, you no size up Cartel with him. Eh? You say an artist big and an artist in a different level. Why when Alkaline do something, you no tie Cartel to it? So wait, a Cartel alone for flying a private jet? Me not understand. Look how much artists flying a private jet. Oh, you never call them out. Alkaline? Eh? Sometimes you make an artist look like some lily thing, brother. You understand? Everything with Alkaline, every day you get up and compare. I understand an artist they on a different level. You see the private jet.
The man I got Guyana. And the man make sure say him take on a private plane. That is not a normal settings for him.
Brother, let me tell you this. Cartel and Alkaline are two different persons. You understand? Cartel is a man him show the whole world what him a do. Alkaline fly on private jet enough time, you understand? Alkaline is just not that person. If you realize, remember say somebody in an airport video all of that. And the people them video all of that. You understand? And Alkaline post it. When Cartel up flying a private jet, you see me? I impose it up. So remember that. You see it? Enough time Alkaline private in a private jet. Him just not brag and boast. Him think it's a simple thing to him. You see it?
of a sudden you want to fly private? Boy, you not care follow. If me not sit them can every style when me make them want, me a the dancehall pele. I want to know. Are the dancehall done? Make una do everything una do. Remember the youth?
No. Your dancehall done make everything where you are do. Cause every time you post up a video, you try do a video collage. And I do everything where I do. You see you're obsessed with Cartel. Right now you don't mind if you take away see them spot. Right now.
You try Arena, shut down. Arena was not sold out. Boy, Alkaline, you better this second for got sons. Because you got sons before. And 2 sons done of them people. It was a good look for you.
So wait there, Kevin. Cause people remember every file, you know. Cause I see what go on in the people. I don't know if vendetta thing go already. Yeah, anything we say we have to defend that. Cause them depend on bring down campaign. Them a team up in the people. The whole of them a team up, you know. But look at now, Kevin. This is an Alkaline show in Florida. Tell me which artists were book for sons, right? And them have up them name. If you read that, so that's if you can read. Vendetta Ultimate Fans Package. How much artists do sons? Ask them, but if them get them personal package. I remember say venue change for sons for Alkaline. You understand? This a impact. Sons have to put in a package $5,000. See Vendetta fans them. Yeah man, so get that straight. Is it?
Right? But now, your boy cut sons. And you're going like say you know say. In a Florida, it wasn't a good look. Favor try. See if you could take one of the people them from sons. I wanna know say. At 97 them have them big party done there. Java and them man the party they done there too. You couldn't beat Java party youth. Java party.
Brother, I separate different dates them. Yeah, go but you know no sense.
It's a year-to-year party. So Java flap out Alkaline. I would say. You understand? More if you know Alka. How much them at
people, when you see my go and say crash out, you know. You man a crash out, kind of artist not going with nothing. Artist drop song God and time, nothing. Pre-order album, them nah nobody not that, nobody not care about him alone. You know this one Alkaline drop for him album, how he shake up a place, everybody attack. Cartel pre-sale, nobody not care about that. No realize people. Nobody not meant that.
Yeah, yo, a Guyana. Because it come like the whole of Europe just gone in a one private plane. Yes, Europe gone in a private plane. Cause Guyana not pay you that much. For you a fly private. So you really have got dip in your pocket. With the money where them a give you. For fly private. Just because you want to show the world something that you can't fly private. Boy, Adi, suck your mother. Me don't know, ya mad them youth your dog. We don't
the man tell about your mother. Come like a bitch man me them man.
even saying a word to them. God, you know we are trying to rectify something when it comes to Alkaline. And we are say, Alkaline, we never seen with no woman yet. But these are my artists.
No, Kevin. Why you show Cartel? Where your woman there? Show your woman, man. Where your woman there? The last time here, you say something about girl. The woman look at you and say you're too short. She say you're too short with your height. Your vex go crash out. You understand? Yeah, man. Cause you feel like say everybody fit there in the media and do them thing. Brother Cartel not hide none. You understand? You have to pay them girl eh? Is it? You know on the media internet thing on the run with. You see me? Yeah man, I'll come more militant than that, my G. You see me?
Vibes Cartel. I will always see with a woman. Now, we not try if you come and say, but
Alkaline always have woman who just not see it. You understand? Can't watch man too much? Yeah. And that's why.
Kevin, me never see you with no youth yet. You're not no youth or nothing. What? Are you serious? You know watch me live them then? You know watch me live them? You need to watch me live them, man. God no. Since you know watch me live them. This is my daughter, brother.
Okay. But I don't know wrong with you, brother. You come like you're afraid of your daughter though. You're afraid of your daughter, man. Yeah. But sure say you don't have no sense still. So say God no. Boy, Kevin I run out. Alright. Come here go coffee me now.
Yeah, man, I'm a daughter. I'm a beautiful daughter, this, bro. So, Me and your artist and I same thing. So me can't show my youth. Alright, tell Alkaline show one youth. Sehgodknow, tell Alkaline show one youth. Come on, one girl.
Every day you get about Alkaline show one youth. Alkaline a live for no? Man turn say you 1,000 girl in a rotation as a girl then. Youth, so wait there. No feel like say if Alkaline have a youth, you not gonna know. And the man don't even show him private life. For no put him kids out there and all of them thing they are brandish. Sticking on head man. Why in a man business too much.
Alkaline a fuck or him used to fuck. And that we want to see. I want to shut the fuck up. Backy boy! And topics that you guys would have been running with. Why would you not run with this? The cancellation of 2 shows of Honor God. Why would you not run out and talk about the cancellation of the show? Why would you not talk about it? Sehgodknow, what is the reason why Alkaline show is cancelled?
So wait there, Kevin. Alright, since you talk about why the reason why the show, why did Vice Cartel Costa Rica show cancel? Here is why.
This is Vibes Cartel, and on behalf of the promoters and myself, I'd like to apologize to the people of Costa Rica for not being able to be at the show tonight. Now, we know it was a very well anticipated event, but it was something that the promoter and I tried assiduously to solve, but to no avail. But we are working closely in seeing how we can best resolve the problem. But until then, Costa Rica, look out for Vibes Cartel in the future. That is the greatest.
Okay.
So what to that show, Kevin? What to that show? Since you attack. You see me? What to the Costa Rica show? We don't hear nothing about it. From last year, we don't hear nothing. No can see show cancel, man. You don't hear your artist tell you. You don't see no nonsense. You don't know say you want to dig one, will dig two. And if you live in a guy's house, don't throw a stone. Is it?
So they know more than everybody else, you know. Food artist, you know, brother. Me can't tell you what's the reason why Vice Cartel Cayman Island show is a go. Because ticket sale is on the high note from him drop. That ticket a sell. Within the first...
Brother, that not sell, brother. Because after 1 month time, the man them drop Nelly on the show. You see me? For try to boost the ticket. You know what you're talking about.
30 minutes Cayman Island was sold out. Jamaica, Freedom Street.
People have been...
So wait there, him said Jamaica Freedom Street. People, you know me the fact go to work already. Beat and teach. So look you now. Since him talk about Freedom Street sell out way. Here we cartel got
remarking on the ticket prices. Is that a hindrance to the kind of turnout you expect to anticipate at the national stadium?
I mean, I think so. So that's why this Black Friday, we're going 50% off on the bleachers. Even though the bleachers, we're going 50% off on that weekend specifically. But funny enough, the highest selling tickets are the cheapest, which is the bleachers, and the most expensive, which is the pod.
So wait there, Kevin. How come the ticket are sell but they might put it on Black Friday sale? Me not understand. You say ticket them are sold out, man. For Jamaica, Freedom Street. See video, yeah? 50% off. But listen, people.
So the turnout is going to be amazing, and I need my main demographic, which is poor people, you them from the street, to come out and be at the show. So for Black Friday and Black Friday only, we're doing 50% off on the bleacher.
I never see a show where keep are giving a 50% off Black Friday deal. That should show you say, yo, the ticket really wasn't selling. You understand? If you drop something 50%, not even 5, 10 or 15% or 20, 50. For sure you say the ticket wasn't selling.
Courtesy of...
Some people are going to interpret that, though, as an indication that tickets aren't selling.
Tickets are selling hard. As a matter of fact, we got the British crew. We don't know if it have something to do with see them, because she don't see them, but the most tickets that are sold are surprisingly from England.
So wait there. So you're telling me the England people is buying more ticket than people in Jamaica? Wow. So that shows you. See a lot of ticket giveaway to most of the Jamaicans. Oh my, when Scatter said that every artist get 100 tickets, you can go type it on the internet. And when you look, boom boom, same get how much a ticket. Sean Sam same I give a 80 ticket. The amount of free ticket. But show did sold out. Wow. I'm telling you already, I have every file,
A lot of the tickets are from the United Kingdom. So big up the UK. You make arena look bad pan Jamaicans.
So wait there. Vice Cartel Houston showing at Texas. This cancel with no explanation. So this no look bad pan Jamaicans too? Oh, okay, through Alkaline. So Cartel have cancel show, but you know bad for Jamaica. But it bad for Jamaica when it comes to Alkaline. Okay.
As mean as uno artist is Alkaline. Alkaline never give nobody no strength in the music fraternity. And him never give no promoter no strength. But because him see CJ Milan and Cartel a do them thing, him plan to fuck it up. And he did.
Yo, people, me tell you say, I want big. Let me tell you this, people. A big thing a go on. The Badmine thing, we are going. Alkaline working with CJ Milan. Me did know say this is a go forward. The man them Badmine because CJ work with Alkaline and them artists now get no arena. That's why the man them a crash out and a diss up CJ. So all our business the woman a say, the woman say, yo, she rate her artist them. You understand? The man them Badmine Alkaline. Fair work with CJ Milan to rat it. Even though Alkaline been a work with CJ Milan before Vice Cartel fought from prison. But you Cartel forward out now. It seems like Vice Cartel own CJ Milan. Him a pay CJ Milan now. Him employ CJ Milan. Yeah man, yo, Badmine, turn up.
Him fuck up a good relationship with Cartel and CJ Milan. Because when CJ Milan pick up that boy, thinking that the boy was the match to bring down Cartel, she never knew say he was the match to make she look bad as a promoter to bring her back to her level.
Yo, people, I wonder if Cartel a watch all them video, yeah. Knowing say him always a send him lion and I post him up on him IG page. Knowing say him a diss up CJ Milan every day. Yo, let me tell you this. I hope since you not diss up CJ Milan, you know, I hope if Cartel work back with CJ Milan, you not have the same energy. That's all me have to say in a dog. I don't know if you give thanks to that woman they say. She set the house so Vice Cartel can keep in Barkley show and the rest of the show them. As she start it off. As she have the license for run the arena them. You understand? So him get access. Can create him look at history them in the arena. Remember that, brother. Don't bite the hand, the feed, you know. You see me? Remember that.
Even promoting party and all our party them, I get cancer. CJ Milan never know that. Him show you up, CJ Milan. I think he was trying to be like Joe. Joe Bagnan, when them Joe Bagnan and this, yo, I can't pronounce.
Brother, that's how I tell you, people. You see? I just want to realize, say, them youth, yeah. Not for them I do it, and them alone. Them Badmine Alkaline theme success. You understand? Badmine Alkaline theme success. And for sure, you say, them are back a class him there. Him can't even pronounce Joe last name. For sure, you. Them dunce. You see me? And that's why you see when a barrel empty, it echo more. That's why them loud in me that them dunce. They know if you pronounce nothing.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up. Name now. I'm kind of have a little history. Joe, big up yourself. You don't know who me attack. Scatter. She a try to be like Uno. CJ Milan really a try to be like Uno. I have never yet to see one of Scatter and Joe them show cancel door. Alkaline step out time lane because.
So look at now, people. So them a diss up CJ Milan now and a big up Joe. You know why? Because Alkaline I work with CJ Milan and through Joe keep Sunfest with Vice Cartel. Now them a prep up Joe and I say yo CJ I follow Joe. Strictly Badmine, man. Badmine I go kill them. I tell you. Yeah, man.
Vice Cartel come from jail and Vice Cartel start dominate the place by going to arena. And the fact that you guys put Alkaline right here with Vibes Cartel, Alkaline.
No. Put yourself there, sir. Nobody now put Alkaline nowhere with Vibes Cartel. You understand? Who now put on yourself with Cartel? No Alkaline.
Have a point to prove. He have to show the world that he can do the same arenas Vibes Cartel do, which sold out these arena. Whether he is charging less or he's charging the same amount, he can do it. Now,
you know what the worst thing, people? I want to remember this. I think Toyota are the richest car company in the world. Gross the most. Right? I think I don't know if a Bugatti or one of them. But say Bugatti or Ferrari. Right? Toyota make more money than them. Although the Bugatti price / the Toyota price per car, the Bugatti would have more. But you see the sales when it comes to the Toyota sell more car than Bugatti. Right? So you might feel like say, okay, Cartel maybe I charge more than Alkaline. But remember this. Alkaline I got always get more bookings than Cartel. Because I'm fee. You understand? So seem like how Toyota make more gross and money than Bugatti. And the same thing I'll be with Alkaline. Because nobody knows how much Alkaline charge. Right now, Alkaline have more show than Vibes Cartel right now. In this year. You understand? Nobody know how much him charge. You see me? So, you can go and sit down and say, oh, Vibes Cartel charge this and that. You can go and sit down there. Kind of feel like, say, I saw this thing said. Eh? Yeah, you may get 1 and 2 show, that's it. You see me? But if an artist get 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 show for the year, him still are making money. You understand? So just remember that. And that still a keep him trending. So if him pull crowd and reaction and everything, him can tell a promoter say, the price raise. I know Alkaline price supposed to raise after Barclays Center. You see me? Especially from the OVO Arena last year too. So you can sit down there and talk about, oh, Cartel charge this and Cartel charge that. You don't know Alkaline price. You just a speculate. That me I tell you here. So you can just go and sit down and go and wait. That me I tell you. So people, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, Google back them, man. Is it Badmine Alkaline film success? Is it? But you don't know anything said. One media fax pan app. That is it.